Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make oatmeal cookies. So for this recipe, we need half cup of coconut oil, 3/4 cup of honey, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're just going to mix it first. You can also add other spices like cinnamon, nutmeg. And then we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to mix the flour into the wet mixture. Then we're going to add 1 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Then we're just going to mix it all again. So since it's a little bit wet, we're going to add another 1 cup of oatmeal. You want the texture to be like a cookie dough, so I'm no cookie expert, but we're trying to make a healthier oatmeal cookie dough today. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. We're just going to mix it all again until it's combined. You can also add dried mangoes or raisins, but today we're going to add 1 cup of cashews. And we're just going to mix it again. Actually, our mixture is a little bit wet still, but this is an experiment, so we'll see how it will turn out once we bake this oatmeal dough. So in a pan, we're going to use an ice cream scooper to scoop out the cookie dough. We're just going to put them evenly. This. And with the back of a spoon, we're just going to flatten it out. So we want our dough to be flat like this so it can cook evenly in the oven. We're going to bake this for 20 minutes until it's golden brown. So at 10 minutes it's already a little bit brown, but you want to cook it further because you want to cook the flour well. So at 16 minutes, you can see that it's already brown, evenly brown on top, but we want to finish the 20-minute mark because we want crunchy oatmeal cookies. So this is the finished product of our oatmeal cookies at 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. We're just going to allow it to cool on a cooling rack. So you can see it has a very dark finish at the bottom, which I like so much. I don't like chewy cookies, I really like crunchy cookies. So let's check the inside of this oatmeal cookie. So it's still a little bit warm. I think this will still harden when it cools down completely. Let's see. You can see the inside of it. So let's try this oatmeal cookie. I love the crunch from the cashews. You can definitely add dried mangoes to this recipe. I think this one is a success. Even though it's an experiment, you should try this. It's really good. So if you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know how you've added mix-ins to this oatmeal cookie.